Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. Myself Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss lesson 8 function in QB64 part 2. Write function. It is a string function that extracts the specified number of characters beginning from the rightmost character of the string. It means when you are use the write function that extracts special number of characters beginning from the rightmost character string. For example, here the syntax write function string expression comma end. For example, let a dollar equal to keeps publishing world. Print write function a dollar 5 means here extract only a 5 right character in a string. Right side means here world 5 character from the right side means right character 5 character here word WORLD world 5 character show here in the form of output. So means write function is used to extract the specific number of character from beginning of the string. Question second is the mid function. This string function allow replace a portion of one string with another string. Means this function is allowed to replace a portion of one string with another string. Here return to specific number of character from a string. Here is the syntax mid function, string expression, start and length. Syntax here for example, let a dollar equal to keeps publishing word. Print mid function a dollar 517 means starting position of a and extract the number of character means 17 character but starting the number of 5 means 5 means one publishing world and start from here after 4 character publishing word. Len function. It is a string function return the number of character present in a string. Here syntax len string expression या len variable means through len function you find return the number of characters using string. For example, let a dollar equal to keeps publishing word. Print len a dollar means find the number of string used in this character. Here answer is 21. When I count here keeps publishing word number of character in this string 21. So len function is used to find the number of character written in particular string. Next one is the lcase function. The lcase function convert all character in string to lowercase. Means when you want to convert all string into lowercase, then you can use lcase function. Syntax lcase dollar string expression. For example, you will understand. Let a dollar equal to keeps publishing word. Print lcase function a dollar. Then here a capital letter, but you after provide lcase function, use lcase function in your program, then convert capital letter to a small letter. Means here write keeps publishing word small letter because you have used lcase. Lcase means function convert all character in string to lowercase, uppercase to lowercase. Is then the ucase function. Ucase function is a string function which convert all the character in a string to uppercase. Means all string character convert into uppercase means capital letter. Here syntax ucase function string expression. Example here, let a dollar equal to keeps publishing word. Here write some word capital and first word capital and remaining word small letter. Print u case a dollar. U case a dollar means these strings convert a capital letter means uppercase. You see here the result. Keeps publishing word write here capital letter because but here write in small letter because you use u case uppercase means all string convert into uppercase means capital letter. Next one, the ask function. It is a string function which is used to return a numeric value, that is the ASCII code for the first character of the string. ASCII code means in a computer each and every character have some ASCII code. So when you use this function, then return the ASCII code of a particular word. For example, syntax of this function: ASCII string expression. Let a dollar equal to keeps publishing word. Print ask a dollar. Here print 75 means the value of k is 75 in ASCII code. Means ASCII code return the code for first character of the string. First character and first character of this string is k. So the value of k is 75. Character function. This character function is used to convert a numeric value, ASCII code, to the character it represent. Means character function convert to the numeric value into character. Means numeric value means ASCII code to convert character. For example, let c equal to 97. Print character function c. The character function of c equal to here 51 means c is 97 and convert the 97 ASCII code to character. Next, the string function. This function is used to convert a numeric expression into the string form. Numeric expression to string form. Syntax here: string function where any numeric expression. For example, you can better understand. Let n equal to 12. Print string n plus string 16. Print n. String n means here 12 and string 16 here 16. And after that, string g function. This function is used to display string consisting of a single character of specified number of times. Syntax: string, number and ASCII code. Example: print string 1075. ASCII code of 75 k. K represent in 10 types. So here used to display string consisting single character for specified number of times. Here ASCII code of k is 75 and represent 10 types. Another example: print string 10t. T represent 10 types here. Next, the val means value character. The val function convert a string expression comprising digits into value. The extract value in numeric and can be used for mathematical calculation. If the first character of string is not numeric, then val will return 0. If first value of this string is not numeric, then val function returns the 0. For syntax here, val string. Example: a dollar equal to 44. Print value val 10 plus print a dollar plus 1. Here show the 55 because 44 value at 10 plus val a dollar equal to 44. 44 plus 10, 54 plus 1, 55. So here show the 55. After that, the homework, explain the following string function: ask function, sign function, alias function, and sgn function. Next question, explain the term ASCII code. Differentiate between the following function: left function and right function, mid function and len function, case function and case function, character function and ask function. So hopefully all students understand all content of this video. Each and every students write on your copy. If you face any problem, call me by number 8840156170. Thank you.